Hello viewers, this is Nisha H. Kamath. Welcome you to the activity on equivalent fractions. I hope you have already seen the videos on fractions. If not, please watch the video. Now, before going into today's activity, let me take two fractions, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Now, let's compare these two. Because 2 and 4 are bigger than 1 and 2 here, do you think that 2 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2? Or maybe it's fraction, so 1 by 2 may be bigger than 2 by 4. Or there is also possibility that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. What do you think is your answer? Note down your answer. Let's come back to this after we finish our activity. For today's activity, I need 4 strips of paper which are equal in size and some color pencils or crayons. Let's begin. First, let's take the first strip and fold it into 2 equal parts. And I have 2 parts here. Let me color the first part. Let me color the first part. So, you have one part colored out of the 2 part. Let me write the fraction for this colored part. Totally I have 2 equal parts, so it is to be written in the denominator. How many parts have been shaded? 1. So the fraction for this will be 1 by 2. Now let me take the second strip of paper and fold it into 4 equal parts. So I have 4 parts here and let me start coloring it with the orange color now. I have shaded 2 parts out of the 4 parts. Let me again write the fraction for the shaded part. So total number of parts to be written in the denominator, that is 4, out of which I have shaded 2 parts. So the fraction will be 2 by 4. Now let me take the third strip of paper and fold it into 6 equal parts. To do that, first I have to fold it into 3 equal parts, then into 2 equal parts. So you have here now 6 equal parts. Let me color this with the green color now. So I have finished coloring this. This is green color, which is 3 parts out of the 6 parts. As usual, you write the total number of parts in the denominator and shaded portion on the top, that is numerator. So you have 3 by 6. Now the last strip, that is fold it into 8 equal parts. 2, 4 and 8 equal parts. Out of this 8 equal parts, let me shade the 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts with the red color now. So you have this 4 parts shaded here out of the 8 parts. So let me write the fraction as 4 by 8. Now what are the fractions that I have got? 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. Observe the colored part here. If you look at that, all the strips were of same size and all the portion which has been covered is also same. Okay, only half portion of the strips have been covered. That is, either you make it 4 parts and shade 2, 6 and shade 3 or 8 and shade 4. So we observe that 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Now you have 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 which are equal to each other. Go back to your answer which you had written in the beginning of this video. I had asked you to compare 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Now you can very easily say that 1 by 2 and 2 by 4 are equal. Now, what are equivalent fractions? The fractions which are equal in value are called as equivalent fractions. Let's try to compare these fractions, both numerator and denominator, how they are related. The first fraction 1 by 2, isn't it? The second fraction 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 multiplied by 2 in the numerator, multiply 2 in the denominator. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So by multiplying numerator and denominator with the 2, we got 2 by 4. Similarly, the third fraction 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2, that's the first fraction itself. Here you multiply it with 3 to the numerator also, with the denominator also. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Similarly, the last one 4 by 8 is obtained by multiplying 1 by 2 with the, yes, you are right, with 4. 1 fours are 4, 2 fours are 8. So now by multiplying the numerator and the denominator with the same numbers, we obtain or we get the equivalent fractions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.